because there's so many possibilities, because there are so many different crystals out there. And so let's start by understanding what they are. So they're naturally occurring substances that over the billions of years that this earth has been in existence has created by the earth's movement processes and all of the things that have created our wonderful, incredible environment that we live in. And that journey that they took imbues it with their energetic properties. And it's been cherished not only by our culture, but by many, many different cultures. Ancient Egyptians buried quartz. I'm going to give you an example. Buried clear quartz with their dead because it helped them on the journey to their afterlife. And jade has been prized in China for its good luck and its other properties and protective properties. Ancient Rome and indigenous tribes in the United States and in all of the Americas have used crystals for various honorings of any deity that they have or any healing properties that they have.